Namaste to all. August 29th is celebrated as the National Sports Day. It is to recognize the contributions made by the magician of Indian hockey, Major Dhyan Chand, who has brought many laurels to Indian sports. So it is, as a citizen, it is our duty to recognize his contributions and also to take steps forward to promote sports in our country. On this day, August 29th, the country is coming forward with a lot of activities in sports to promote sports, and we as the citizens, we as the students, we as the stakeholders of the community must realize the importance of sports in our life, and also we must try to contribute our bit in the development of the sports. You know that there was a time where Indian hockey is known to be equal to hockey throughout the world. So when the name of hockey was there, it is equivalent to India, and it was possible through this wizard, Major Dhyan Chand. We must recognize his contributions, we must owe to his contributions, and his contribution has made us to get Olympic medals in hockey as an event. And later on in the history, if you search, what we find is that the number of medals that we achieve in the highest sports, which is considered to be Olympics, is it in proportion to our population? Are we contributing? Are we trying to develop sports? Are we trying to promote sports? And what are the steps we are taking at present to promote the sports? So these are the questions that we have to put forward to ourselves on this day, and we also have to try how this gap can be fulfilled. So for that only, as a student, as per the new curriculum, there are a lot of opportunities given for the students to promote sports, and especially for a KB student, for a CBSE student, in the last year itself, there is a mentioning of at least 1 hour sports. A child must play at least 1 hour in any kind of a sports of his liking in a day. And this may not be possible in the school scenario throughout, and in the schools also there were efforts to combine the sports periods as a block period, so that at least 1 or 2 times in the school itself they will be able to play some sports of their liking, or otherwise they will be able to play in their hometown. So this was the motto behind the step taken by the ministry, and it is being promoted also. Now, at this particular stage, at this particular era, you know that the present world is in the pandemic fear. We are not coming out, we are confined to our home. And in this era, when we are hearing everything through online, when we are attending the classes through online mode, we are lacking, or we are losing some opportunities to interact with others. We are lacking opportunities to play our favorite football along with our friends. So to overcome this, what best we can do, that also is a part of our thought during this celebrations. For that, you know that there is already a program launched as Fit India Movement, and wherein we are all asked to run or walk at least some distance a day, so that you will keep physically fit. So you know that the importance of keeping physically and mentally fit is possible when we wanted to have an academic development, when we have wanted to have an academic growth. Our mental stability is one of the major factor, and to achieve mental stability we also must have equal physical strength. So to have this equal physical strength, playing is very, very important. Doing some exercise, giving some jogging to our body is very, very vital. And during this particular time, you must try to use some time to play some games, or to walk at least around your surroundings to keep you fit. And that is only for the scenario at present. Now we will overcome this difficulty, and later on also what we have to continue is how we will be able to promote some activities. Everyone is having some inherent talent. Are we achieving, or are we successful in identifying one's own talent as an individual? whether you know yourself what is your talent, what is your area of interest. This is an area where one has to introspect and see what is your potential. So you may be a better sportsman, a sports person, if you go in that field. So we must see that what is my capacity. That's also a part of learning. And last year and all, as a student, you might have seen that KVS has promoted SB activities, Swasth Bache Swasth Bharat. The theme itself, the name itself indicates that if you are physically fit, if you are swasth, that is, if you are physically stable, then the country also will progress. So that was the theme behind it. And there were a number of activities underlying under that program. And majority of you have done some of the activities. It is not for just doing 1 day activity or 2 day activity and closing the chapter. It should be a continuous practice, and this practice is not for anybody else. It is for one's own development. We also might have seen some cases where at a higher stage also, when some pressure comes, when some academic load comes, we get mentally disturbed. When some difficulties occurs, we get mentally disturbed and we start running away from the problems. So this, how it happens, it is because of lack of determination, lack of strength, especially the lack of mental strength. So mental strength and physical strength are almost very much related. So at this time, what I wanted to convey you, that you have to be physically fit if you wanted to develop further. So for that, you must make use of any kind of activity as an integral part of your daily activity. And as a student, if you are doing that, it will promote, it will help you in growing, and it will make you a better citizen. So on this occasion of National Sports Day celebration, let us pledge that we will make sure that we are involved in one or the other kind of sports for our own development, and also we will contribute as a whole for the development of the nation in the areas of sports. Let us all pledge this, and once again I wish everyone all the very best on this occasion of National Sports Day. Thank you.